Hi, and welcome to the very first episode of Transforming Tiaras, where we transform everyday objects into special reminders of God's truth and love. My name is Vanessa, and in today's episode, we'll be transforming ordinary flip-flops into these fabulous flip-flops of faith. So let's get started. Let's read today's Bible passage from Psalm 1. Blessed is the one who does not walk in step with the wicked, or stand in the way that sinners take, or sit in the company of mockers, but whose delight is in the law of the Lord, and who meditates on his law day and night. That person is like a tree planted by streams of water, which yields its fruit in season, and whose leaf does not wither. Whatever they do prospers. Not so the wicked. They are like chaff that the wind blows away. Therefore the wicked will not stand in the judgment, nor sinners in the assembly of the righteous. For the Lord watches over the way of the righteous, but the way of the wicked leads to destruction. Today we are going to add some sparkle to a pair of flip-flops to remind us that God will help us walk in His way as we trust in Him. Here are the supplies you'll need. A pair of flip-flops, strong craft glue, embellishments like rhinestones, ribbon, or artificial flowers. If you're planning to wear these to the beach, make sure you choose waterproof materials. Now comes the fun part. You get to be creative. Use your glue to attach your decorations to each flip-flop around the edges and to the straps. Make them unique just like you. Once your flip-flops are dry, you're ready to put them on and sparkle with each step as you trust in God and let Him lead you. We make lots of decisions each day. Sometimes we need help knowing what's right and what's wrong. We need courage and strength to choose the right path, especially if our friends are doing something that doesn't honor God. It can be hard to stand up for what's right when others do not. But God blesses those who obey Him. Even if the choices our friends are making look fun, there will be consequences in the end if they do not honor God. God promises to help guide us. As we trust in God, read His Word, and seek His guidance, He will help us make good choices that obey and honor Him. Whenever you walk in your flip-flops, pray that God would guide each step you take for His glory and help you stand for Him, even if others do not. Trust that God truly does know what is best for us. If you want more devotions and DIYs, be sure to grab a copy of our Transforming Tiaras book available on Amazon. Remember, if you're a child of God, then you're a daughter of the King, and that makes you a princess. So keep shining for Jesus, and I'll see you next time. If you liked this episode, be sure to give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below telling me where you'll be wearing your flip-flops. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more videos.